So we can very easily remember these formulas using matrix interpretation of these equations. So as you can see, the first equation is xy is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta times small x small y, right? So this is the matrix interpretation, matrix form of these equations. And small x small y is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta times capital X capital Y. So as you can see in these equations, only this is something which you need to remember separately. Now if you want to remember this, you just need to keep this diagram in your mind. So if you keep this diagram in your mind, you can very clearly see that the distance of capital X is more than the distance of small x. This is just a way to remember. This is not always true, but in our diagram, the value of capital X looks bigger than the value of small x. The value of capital X looks bigger than the value of small x. So capital X will be small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, because you need a bigger number you need to add. Just remember that. If you want a bigger number, you need to add things. So capital X has something plus something. So if you remember that much, you can go and remember all the remaining things. So the technique is to observe that this and this matrices are matrices with determinant is equal to 1. Determinant is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. And you can very clearly see that cos theta is always positive. Cos theta is always positive. The difference is just that you have plus sin theta here, minus sin theta here, minus sin theta here, plus sin theta here. So if you just remember, capital X has plus sin theta, automatically capital Y should have minus sin theta, and automatically if you have plus sin theta here, you have to have minus sin theta here. If you have minus here, you have to have plus here. So if you just remember this part, that capital X should have both cos and sin as positive, and the matrix should always be such that the determinant is equal to 1. So if you remember that, you won't write sin theta here because you want cos square theta plus sin square theta. So the plus minus always occurs with sin theta, and capital X has both terms as plus. So if you remember this much, you can write the equations correspond to capital X, capital Y, and small x, small y. So let us take some examples here.